Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to see unboxing and quick overview of this Nokia headset. So let's get started. So you can see I got this box, and let me just show you the box from the outside. So over here we can see the pearl gray color that I ordered. Okay, so T2000 model. On the bottom of the box we have something like this written, and then on the left side of the box you can see the contents that are there in the box. Okay, so let me just try to focus on them. So you can see neckband, cable wire and silicone tips are there in the box. On the right side, we have this Qualcomm HD sound written and rapid charge, and the Bluetooth version is 5.1. On the top of the box, there's nothing. And the back of the box, let's take a look. So here you can see again on the back of the box, we have this branding over here, Nokia, and then these are the details. Let me just try to focus on them as well so that you can see it clearly. These are all the details. So you can see the Nokia Bluetooth headset T2000. The color is the pearl gray that I have, and I have also ordered this from Flipkart. The MRP written on the box is 3,000 rupees, but I ordered this for 2,000 rupees. Okay, and you can see 4 silicone buds, 1 user manual, warranty sheet, net bang, and charging cable is included in the box. Okay, so that's just it. So let's open it up. Now I've already opened the box. As you can see, it is not sealed, so I just wanted to check every accessory is proper or not. So let me just try to open it up, and I have also checked the headphone quality as well. So you can see these are the headphones that I bought. Okay, unfortunately with this headphones, okay, I did not have a refund option. You will not have a refund option. You will just have a replacement option. Okay, so that is something that you should know. Okay, so let's take this out, and I have already, as I said, I have already tested them. Okay, so here you can see the charging option. So you can see it is a micro USB, not a type C. That is one disadvantage of this, but that I think they also include micro USB cable, so that should be okay. You can see the buttons that we have, and this is how you will be putting it on the neck. So buttons will be touching your neck. Okay, since you will be putting headphones like this, and you can see the buttons. There are multiple buttons like volume assistant button. So this one, first one is the volume assistant. Then we have the volume down, then pause play button, and then volume up. Okay, so 4 buttons are there, and these are also, I will just show you that in the manual. Okay, so these also support simultaneous 2 devices connection, so that you can just press thrice on this play button, and you will be these will be connected to your second device. So let's say you want to quickly switch from your laptop to phone, or from one phone to another phone, then you can do that. Okay, another thing, on this side it is written that you should first of all please charge before use. That's what it is written. Okay, and then we have Nokia branding over here, and you can take a look at these tips, headphone tips. As you can see, they are magnetic. Okay, and let me just try to focus on that. So this is how it is. Okay, they are nice. Okay, and I have tested the sound quality. I will probably post some links in the description below, so that you can also hear the sound quality. I'll be recording using my Samsung Galaxy A71, and yeah, I will also record some audio and post it in the description link. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Apart from that, in the box there's not much, so you'll just get some silicone buds and something like that. Let me just place my camera, and here we go. So this is how it is. These are some just silicone buds, so that you can replace your tip depending upon your, I don't know, ear size or whatever suits you. And then we have some manuals and cables. Okay, so here it is. So this is the micro USB cable that you get along with the headphones. Okay, and then we have a couple of manuals. Let me just show them as well. So here you can see Nokia branding over here. This is the user guide, and these are the contents that we get. Then pairing is explained over here. As you can see, like press the play button for 3 seconds, so that you will be entering in pairing mode. Okay, and Nokia T2000 will be the Bluetooth name. Then we have a charging indicators as well. Red light indicates when charging, blue light indicates when fully charged. So your indication will be blue light. Micro USB port you have to use for charging. Okay, on the back of the user guide you can see multiple options, like for music you can short place, long press, then pause play. Okay, hop mode, this is the interesting feature that I talked about. So this is for switching the connection. This is for switching the connection between two devices quickly. So you just have to play the button, this play button 3 times, and it will be connected to the last paired device. Okay, and enter pairing mode, long press for 3 seconds. You have to press the play button, then you can reset it using 3 seconds. Okay, and short press and double click as well. So voice assistant, and for call, so you can answer your calls using this voice button, and if you need a voice assistant you can double click on that icon. Apart from that, here are the specifications. You can see 20 hertz dynamic, 11 mm transducer size something, impedance is 16 ohm, I don't know what that means, and it's a couple of other stuff, right? IPX4, this is important, splash proof. Okay, apart from that we have this safety guide information, and then we have this, I don't know, entertain use liability, and that's that. Okay, this is the user guide, and you also have another document inside this. This is the warranty, what you can see, warranty manual, as you can see over here, and you can just try to open that up as well so you can read it out. Okay, I'm just putting it there. And this is another part of it, and then we do have something at the back so you can read it out. And that's it. So that's it about the Nokia headset. If you have any questions or if you like to know anything, let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely post some links for audio and sound quality of these. So thank you, and thanks for watching.